Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make this beautiful pappardelle pasta. It's made in a rich, creamy pesto sauce. It's
really good.
Amazing. Anyway, I've got some friends over here, Albert and Vivian, and you'll meet them here in a minute. And anyway, let's show you how to make this. Get going.
All right.
We got about 6 ounces of fresh basil that we washed earlier and dried. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this basil leaves in there. And then I'm gonna throw in about 2 tablespoons of pine nuts. Now, pine nuts are real expensive and sometimes they're hard to find. So you can use almonds, they work well. But since we're making a video, I had to find the real deal. All right, so now we've got the basil in there. We've got the fresh garlic and the pine nuts. And we're gonna go ahead and blend this up a little bit. All right, let's start it up. All right, not done yet. Now we're gonna put in a pinch of salt. I like to use sea salt. A pinch of black pepper. And now we're gonna let it rip with some olive oil. Still not done yet. One more step.
Cheese.
Some cheese. We got some beautiful Pecorino Romano cheese. That I picked up from Jimmy's as well, out in Dallas. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup in there. And then we're just gonna blend it for about 2 seconds. All right, come check this out, Sean. Look at that pesto. Beautiful, nice and green. It's got a green, vibrant color to it. Smells out of this world. All right, we got Louis joining us today. He's keeping Dominic in check.
Hey, buddy.
He's growling at Dominic. Anyway, all right, Dominic's gonna start up the cream sauce.
We're doing a pesto cream sauce with pappardelle pasta. Got, of course, garlic, pesto, cream, cheese, pepper, little cream sherry. First, we're going to chop up some garlic, fry it up.
Right. Get out of the way.
Put a little butter, unsalted butter in there. You don't want to burn it. It'll make come out very bitter. Just a very light
brown, almost translucent.
You let that cream sherry cook down a little bit. What do you want? Huh?
Oh,
You snap at me, I'll cook you for Thanksgiving. Oh, I'm kidding, Louie. You're too small. You got to gain about 12 more pounds. All right, we're going to add our cream in here now.
Very nice.
Heavy cream.
Beautiful.
How much we doing? Just a pound of pasta? You're going to let that cook down a little bit. Add a little pepper. Some salt. All right, we'll let that bubble up, and then we'll add our pesto to it, and that's it.
Let's start cooking the pasta.
We got some pappardelle pasta here. Put that in there. Let that cook up a little bit. All right, we're gonna add our pesto to here, to the cream sauce.
Hey, use the spoon. Hey, use this Berto spoon.
I don't want to dirty it.
I got plans with it for.
Brooklyn Brothers spoon.
Yep, I'm used standard.
That's ready, Paul.
All right.
We're gonna get our pappardelle in here.
Pappardelle. You belly the pappardelle. Oh man, look at that, man.
You hungry, Paul?
I'm starving.
Get out of here.
We just had pizza, but I didn't eat too much. I only had 2 slices. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Mix that up with Berto's magic wooden spoon. It's like the pool cue, you know. The better the cue, the better the stick, the better your game. Same thing with cooking. Oh man, that looks wonderful. Oh, let me get a bowl. All right. Oh man, that looks really, really good.
Very
Yeah.
nice and
Got
creamy.
it?
That's good.
Oh man. Thick
That's the
red-
money shot right there.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh man.
Sean, this is a family show.
Oh, look at that pasta. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. All right, put some
Put a little cheese on
that.
top.
Beautiful.
And that's it.
All right, let's eat. All right, let's test out this wonderful pappardelle pasta. Vivian, let me have your plate, please.
Okay.
I know you're real hungry, right?
I am starving.
Okay, we'll start off with that much.
Perfect.
Because it's
Is that
very-
good? Or do you want more?
It's very, very thick. Barto, have your plate, please. All right, let's test it out.
Keep
Guys,
those-
Let's
Keep
do
those
it.
doggies
have
rolling.
the honors, please.
How was it? Good?
Oh my
Very,
goodness.
very
Oh my
good.
God. Absolutely delicious. Sorry, I couldn't,
Yeah, this is great.
Ah, very good dish, guys. I really encourage you guys to try this recipe. It really it'll knock your socks off. It's very, very good.
Delicious.
Anyway, I want to thank Albert and Vivian for coming today.
Thank you,
Albert brought me that.
you.
All
Thank
that
you for
cool
having
stuff
us.
that he made.
This
too.
is great.
Yeah, Albert brought me a really nice, beautiful cutting board with our logo on it. And he's going to start making that for you all, too, as well, if you're interested. He's going to have all types of
Only
wood
$300
crafts.
a cutting board. Nah, I'm kidding.
And also, you know, we got to keep this channel running here. You know, I mean, Sean, the cameraman, you know, he hit me up for a raise. And,
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
I'll break his neck.
But anyway, you know, we started selling some Brooklyn Brothers memorabilia, you want to call it? Or anyway, I'm going to have that link on the bottom of the description.
Good
And if
job.
you'd like, we have some interesting t-shirts, hats, aprons, they're pretty cool. And we're going to have other stuff in the future also. Even, like I said, Albert's crafty woodwork.
Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.
Beautiful.
Anyway, thanks
It is
for
nice.
watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.